Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to talk about how to assign variables in Python. So we're going to make a new file for that. So how can we assign the variables in the Python? First of all, you need to know that you don't have to write the data type of the variable, because the Python is good enough to recognize the type of variable from its value, or the value which we are about to assign. So for example, I have a variable 1 assign a 10, and variable 2 assign, I want to assign a string to it.
Hello, Mom.
And in a variable 3 I want to assign a double. Alright, now I want to print all of these variables separately. Okay,
2, 3. Alright.
alright, now we have to run this code. Okay, you need to remember the point that you don't have to write the data type of the variable. Python is good enough to recognize the data type of the variable by looking at its value, which is obviously on the right side of the equal sign. You can also assign the variable like this, well, 3. Alright,
Second is hello. And third is 15.75. Alright.
you can assign you can also assign the values like this way, in this way too. Okay, if you want to assign a single value to the multiple variables, you can do it in a single line. You have to write the a is equal to b is equal to c and is equal to 1. Alright, now you have to print it out. Alright, a comma b comma c. I hope this is gonna work. Yeah, you can see that we can assign a single value to the multiple variables with a single line of a code. Alright, okay, so this was all about assigning the values into the variable. Alright, and this is all for this video, and if you really find it useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.